Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to walk through the support hub and escalating issues into Jira. So whenever you're starting your troubleshooting of any issues, you'll always come to the support hub and navigate through either documentation or you can go into support and search for a topic. And you'll always make sure that you're logged in here as your user. The main place that we ask you to go is to the community. The community is a forum where we have developers and various coordinators escalating issues that they'd like to troubleshoot. You can search for your topic by clicking in the top right-hand side of the screen, or you can create a new topic if that doesn't, if it doesn't render any issues that that you're looking for. But in this case, what we're going to talk about is escalating issues into Jira. You can see I'm already logged in here in the community. Because we have this kind of seamless single sign-on between the support hub and now the community.primero.org. You can go directly into Jira by going to jira.primero.org, and you should get redirected into the Jira dashboard. You can see I'm logged in. Kind of can see it once I hover, for the same user profile. So I've set up your users, and here once you're on your dashboard you'll kind of see a few things, and all of these layouts are editable by yourselves. So you have an introduction and maybe some things that are assigned to you. Realistically, you probably don't have anything assigned to you at this point. You can go to your projects and you should be able to see Primero Service Desk. If you're not able to see Primero Service Desk, please let me know. Once you click on Primero Service Desk, it'll bring you to this new kind of landing page where you see Primero Service Desk in the navigation, and you have queues, customers, reports, request, knowledge base, etc. So the first thing that I want to show you is the queues. Here, right now, I'm just viewing all open queues, and I want to switch queues because I want to be able to see what are all of the feature requests that are currently that we've currently proposed since the Primero annual meeting and over the past few years. So you can create a new queue by selecting plus new queue, and you can call this feature requests, and then here you can customize what you want to see in this queue. So in this case I want to see new feature requests, so that's the type. I want to see all the statuses. You can select create. Once you've created it and you're back now in your queues list, you can click on the switch queues and you can see I have now feature request as one of my queues. So I can see them by module, and what have been remaining as blank are those that are kind of pertaining to all three modules. So I think the second type of queue that's going to be the most important for you is now the reported issues. So again, you can go to adding a new queue, and I'm going to also add this myself. So reported issues is what I'm going to call this queue. I'm going to select bugs, as well as any technical issues that have been reported by the vendors. So those are my two filters. I'm going to filter by, actually I'm going to keep all of these filters open. We are going to see all of the resolutions. So this is the feedback from the vendor on if it's done or if it's been fixed or any feedback. And then any other labels, if you want to highlight them, you can do that again by module, etc. So now I'm going to select Create. And when I go to my my reported issues, I can see it here at the bottom. I don't like that it's at the bottom, and so I can go to Manage Queues, and once I see that, I can click on it and just drag it up to the top and hit Save. So then now when I come back to my switch queues, I can see it now here at the top. So if I click on Reported Issues, I can see the dates they were created, updated, and due. I'll show you how that looks. Even if I just select the module GBVMS Plus and I hit Save, I can see the GBV issues here. So then once you have all of these issues here, for the escalation process with UNFPA and the approval process, right now, once you click on a issue, what you see is what the type of issue is, what's the priority, the labels. So this is for Nigeria. This was the GBV. It was a 1.5. And typically, if there's any discussion, you can see that under the description. And once you have reviewed all of that, you can see there's an assignee. You can assign to me, and I think that in the case of the UNFPA feedback, here you can just type in that it has been approved in the comment section in the activity, and you can comment on that internally. If you click on Share with Customer, then this gets pushed out to the support hub if this is a public support ticket. And if you don't want to add comments, the other option is we can just go directly to Assign, and it says, who do you want to assign this to? And then you just find my name. Once I know that it's been assigned to me, then I can make sure to redirect this to the correct vendor for this implementation.